So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the new stream. So today in this session we are going to see Indian stocks analysis for Monday, or if you want to invest in any stock, and you can write me in chat box. I will analyze the stock, and we will see technical and fundamental analysis of the stocks. Let us see which are the top performing stocks in recent days and which are the stocks which are in higher losses. Let us see which are the stocks we are going to analyze in today's session. You can write down in the chat box whichever your favorite stocks are, about some stocks you want to know. So let us start the session. So if you see BTC and gold, BTC currently in sideways, and gold is off because Saturday Sunday gold will be off. Only we can trade on crypto. So I usually stream Indian stocks and Nifty Bank Nifty analysis on Saturday Sunday, because gold and US tech will be off on Saturday Sundays. This is a platform of Groww, the broker, which gives you clear picture of top gainers, most traded in MTF, and top losers, most traded stocks on Groww. Everything, the stocks which are in news, top losers, top sectors. You can check all kind of sectors here, and if you want to invest in particular sector, you can click on this any of your favorite sectors, like banking sector. If you want to invest in banking sector, if you click on this banking, you will get all the banking related stocks. If you are interested in FMCG, then if you click on this FMCG, you will get FMCG stocks. So similarly, you will get an option of selecting stocks on top sectors, and even you can see the top losers in previous day, which means yesterday, Friday. As today is the holiday, in Friday you can check which are the stocks which were in losses, and these are the stocks in news. It might be the quarter or yearly results, or any orders. It might be any information about the stocks or any important news about the stocks, you can check here in this news page. And this is our top gainers in Friday intraday. These are the top gainer stocks, and you can see here large, mid, small. These are the types of stocks or types of companies, as we are having large cap, mid cap and small cap. So according to that, it has been divided in large cap stocks. So these are the companies which performed well on Friday, that is BPCL, Bosch, InfoEdge, IOCL. So almost in large cap we can see 5%, around 5% loss or profit in intraday in large cap. And in mid cap you can see Mankind Pharma, Aurobindo Pharma, Indraprastha Gas, Ola Electric. So these are the stocks which were the top gainers in mid cap. And in small cap you can see Credit Access, Grameen, Devyani, Dr. Lal, Path Labs, GE Shipping. So these are the top traded stocks in small cap. Hello sir, hello bhai, hello Naveed. Chai pee liya? If you had seen yesterday's stream in gold, in US Tech and US Oil, our target was hit, but in gold our SL was hit. You can see here after this SL, again the market was moving in our direction, but yesterday was Friday, so market closed at 11 PM and tomorrow holiday. पिया देखो महरम नहीं मना रहे क्या? महरम सुबह ना सुबह दिला दी फातिया. So if you go through the top gainers on Friday, these are the top gainers: Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Bosch, InfoEdge, Indian Oil Corporation, Godrej Consumer Product, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, Bajaj Finance, CG Power Industrial Solution, Infosys. So in large cap, most probably a single stock will only reach max 5%, not above that. If the stock reaches to near to 5%, automatically the buy and sell liquidity will be closed. You cannot trade on the particular stock whose already profit or loss reached to 5%. आज भी है ना जीजू? नहीं, हमारे घर में तो सुबह मनाती, मतलब हड़गली में यूजुअली तो सुबह रहता. आज क्या बोलते, कत्ल रात बोलते, आज सुबह है, आज ऐसा क्या नहीं है. तुम्हें मना रही क्या? बाहर है क्या तुम्हें दरगाह के पास? अभी जा रही है मस्जिद के पास. ओके ओके, माशाल्लाह, जाके आओ. And these are the top losers on Friday. You can see here Trent, Avenues, Supermarts, Tata Steel, Eicher Motors, Hyundai Motors, Adani Green Energy, Pidilite Industries, Siemens Energy, and you can say, yeah, you can say that why this stock has lost 11%. Just now we have told that a stock can only lose up to 5%, but now this trend company has lost 11% in Friday only. I said 5% for only large cap companies. Small cap companies can go to this extent, okay, but large cap companies will make its complete stock profit or loss with 5% only per day on an intraday. If you see the Nifty chart, the market is moving upside after this retracement. Okay, if you check this fib level, from 0.5, the market is taking reversal. We can expect a target of 25,800. This will be our first target in Nifty, and 26,000 will be our next target in Nifty. So this must be our price action. So if you are holding puts, if you are having put positions, I think it will be better to close those position and open position in buying side, because I think almost selling has been completed. Now the new fresh buying started. And BTC, as you can see, completely sideways from last how many hours? This is an hour chart, and you can see almost 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, almost complete full day BTC in sideways. So ignore BTC and gold also. Today market is not opened, so we'll focus on today only in Indian stocks. And write down in the chat box if you want me to analyze any particular stocks, or if you are interested to invest in any stock, I will analyze the stock and tell what are the things you need to observe while investing in stocks, and how to read the charts, and how to check the fundamentals.
Low battery.
how to read the charts of any stocks and options. Okay. To read the charts, first you should know about candlesticks. So what do you mean by candlesticks, and what is the psychology behind the candlesticks, and how to understand this candlesticks? I will explain you in a basic way. So now you are seeing two candles, that is green candle and red candle. Candle is nothing but the moment of price at a certain period of time. Let us think that this candle is 1 hour. So you can see a time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, 4 hour date time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So if you select 1 hour, this will be the range of a stock price or index price for 1 hour. So in 1 hour, what the price has been done. We'll take some example. Okay, we'll take some stock. Okay, let us take this Suzlon Energy. See, this is our 1 hour chart. In Friday, okay, let us take this candle. Okay, this is green candle. I think this minute. So this is our green candle. The price start to move from here 65.30. So this is called open, this is called close, and this is called as wick. A candle having body and wick. I will draw and explain. Okay, this is our let us think that this is our candle. Okay, this part of the candle is called as body. This part of the candle is called as body, and this part of the candle is called as wick. So when the price moves from low to high, the candle will be green, and when the price moves from higher to lower, the candle becomes red. So this part of the candle in green candle is open, means the starting price of the stock. So this is our 1 hour candle. Let us go to 1 day chart. Okay, then you will understand clearly. Okay, this is on 2nd July. On 2nd July, what I told just now, in red candle, the price, opening price will be on the top and the closing price will be on the down. Similarly, in green candle, opening price will be on the down and closing price will be on the top. So on 2nd July, the Suzlon stock was opened with 67.37 rupees. At the end of the day, means market starts at 9:15 and closes at 3:30. At 3:30, this stock was closed at 64.7 rupees. Means from 67.5, it was closed to 64.7, almost 3 rupees loss. This stock closed from 67 to 64, means this stock was 3 rupees loss on 2nd July. You can see the percentage, which is almost minus 3.8%, 2.6 rupees. Similarly, if you check on Friday 27th June, there was a green candle and the price was started at 64.8 and closed at 67.3, almost 2.5 rupees, similarly 3.8%. So when the market opens with some certain price, if it closes on positive side, the candle will be green, and if the price closes below the opening price, this candle becomes red. So every day, see this is 27th June and 28, 29 was holiday because of Saturday, Sunday. So we are seeing next candle is 30th June, 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July. These are the candle depends upon the daily price action of the stock. So in this way, these candle forms. According to that candles, these kind of patterns form. So if you want to learn more about candlesticks and patterns, you can check out my videos where I have explained about basics of candlesticks and chart patterns. So this is how we understand about candles and chart patterns. Then is there any doubt? Let me know. So these are the top gainers of Friday. On Friday, these were the stocks which were gained high profits on the intraday basis. Bharat Petroleum Corporation. So now let us see what is Bharat Petroleum Corporation is doing. Okay, on Friday, just those list was only about Friday. Okay, not monthly, weekly. Okay, if you want to check about weekly, monthly, you can go for monthly charts, weekly charts. So to know about this stock, you need to go downside about Bharat Petroleum Corporation. Okay, this is the best platform where you can get proper access of technical and fundamental analysis. Okay, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited is an Indian-based company which is a producer, refiner, and distributor of petroleum products. Its business includes fuel services, Bharat Gas, MAK lubricants, refineries, gas, industrial, commercial, international trade, and proficiency testing. Okay, these are the things or businesses this Bharat Petroleum Corporation done. So this is all about Bharat Petroleum Corporation, and this is the business what this company does. And you can check who is parent organization and who is the managing director of this company. Now the next thing we need to check is shareholding. Okay, shareholding means who are the persons holding the shares in this company stocks. So majorly promoters. Promoters are nothing but the company owners or business partners. These are called as promoters. So their holding percentage is 52.9%. Means suppose that you are building a company, your own company, and you are the owner. So you alone cannot make such big company because you need some investors or co-founders or partners. These people comes under promoters. So now 52% of this company shareholding is with promoters. Second, we are having foreign institutions. These foreign institutions are nothing but the major foreign companies who buys Indian stocks. Okay, these foreign institutions buy at uh, heavy quantity. So these are biggest investors who invest in Indian stocks. These are called as FIAs, foreign institutional investors. Then we are having mutual funds. So you invest your money in SIP or one time in mutual funds, right? So these mutual funds holdings is 11%. Other domestic institutions, nothing but Indian other big companies or group of companies. They also take over the stocks of other companies which are performing well. And then we are having retail and others. So these are nothing but publics, the public person who buy the stocks and who are holding the stocks. So that is just 10%. So before buying the stock, you should know how much percent of promoters are holding the stocks, how much percent foreign institutions are holding. And you can see here March, June, September, December, March. So this is for every quarter. Every quarter this will be changed, because suppose that I had bought this stock and I hold it for 2 months, then I sold the stock. Then after 2 months, the retailer percent will be decreased, right? Because as the public sell the stock, automatically the percent will decrease. So on similar way, the promoters can also be sell their stocks. If the company doesn't perform well, the promoters or co-founders also sell their stocks. So we should observe that the promoters should not be decrease. Means if the promoter are decreasing, what it means? It means that the company is not performing well, the company is not making good profits, the company is not doing good business. That's why the promoter number should not be decreased. And also foreign institution, these are the big investors who also should hold the stock, so that we can assure that the company is performing well, it is making profit, the stock value going to high. And we should not, doesn't matter about these retailers. If the retailers are less, then the stock will perform good. If the retailers are more, there is a more chance that the stock might go down. So you should always buy the stock whose promoter and FIIs are high rather than retailers. And these are financials. Financial means where you can check the revenue of the company, profit of the company, and its net worth. And you can check for every quarter and for every year. It will be available on this Groww platform. So here you can see, if you check on quarterly, okay, now let us see the quarterly profits of this Bharat Petroleum Corporation. Okay, on March 2024, means quarterly means for every 3 months. Quarterly means 4 times per year, which is for every 3 months you can check the profit, loss, net worth, revenue. So on March, the profit was around 4.7 thousand crores in this stock, that is Bharat Petroleum Corporation. and similarly second next quarter it was 2.8, then it was 2.2. From September the profit has been increasing. Initially the profit decreased, then from some September the profit started increasing in this company, and as you can see the stock also started increasing. So if you check on yearly chart from September 2024 to I think February, till February the market was in downtrend. From February, I think from March, which means from March 1st, you can see here the company, the stock started moving upside, making higher highs. That you can see here. Means after this 2 quarters increased, the stock profit also increased and the stock value also increased. So in this way, checking its profit, net worth, revenue also very important. It should be increasing, not decreasing, in quarterly and also in yearly. See, when it was decreasing, the stock value was going down. When it started increasing, automatically the stock value was also increasing. So these are the things you need to observe before buying a stock. First thing is shareholding pattern, then you should check for the financials. Okay, then you should go for fundamentals, that is market cap, ROE, PE ratio, book value. Okay, this market cap must be more than 50,000 crores. Then we can say that it is a good company to invest, or it can be called as large cap companies. You can see this stock has gained 11% in just 1 month, which is a good return. So in Cochin Shipyard, the market is retracing from 0.7 level. If it sustain above this zone, above this 2000 zone, we can expect a good target, because if you can see in 15-minute chart also, it has broken the trend line. And it is taking retracement from 0.7 level. So we can expect a good move in upcoming days. In day chart also, we can see the reversal candle. All these liquidity has been done, and now we can see a good move in this market. Let us see the monthly chart. So this stock performed from 2023, it was around 200 rupees, almost 150 to 200. Then in 24 August, means June, July, August, almost 23 June, July, and in 24, in 1 year, within 1 year, the stock has rise from 200 to almost 2000 plus, which means 10%, 1000% returns. Then this was a profit booking and retracement, and if you check the fib, we can see from this low to this high, exactly from 0.7 level, the market started moving upside. Similarly, now also in lower time frame, we are seeing the retracement from 0.7 level, which means from this level in upcoming days we can see a good move in Cochin Shipyard. So this will be our next targets, around 2200, 2400. This might be our next targets. So in this column, you can see that 52-week high, 52-week low. 52-week high means this is high price from last 1 year. 52 weeks, nothing but 1 year. So only this Divis laboratory trading at 52 week high. So if you click on this chart and if you go to the 1 year, let us see in next terminal chart. See, this is our all-time high. Divis Lab is trading around 6,900, which is all-time high. So whenever a good stock or uptrend stock will always make a retracement and go upside, you should enter on the retracements. So if you take example of the stock, you can see here. So these are market moves in two moments, that is impulsive retracement, impulsive retracement, impulsive retracement. So this is how market moves. Market never moves directly from low to high. It always makes an retracements. So your entry must be on the retracements. You should make entry on this retracements. What most of the people do, whenever a stock moves to upside, which comes in the news or in any tips, when market already moved, they buy here. Okay, then what happens? Then obviously the market will retrace and they're buying. From their buying price, the stock will go down and they will get losses, and they think that so we will get losses in whichever stock we buy. Your entry is wrong, that's why you are getting losses. So you should not enter here, you should enter on the bottom, you should enter on the retracements. So now let us check the retracement of this Divis Lab stock. So we'll see the recently. Okay, so we have seen this big move. Suppose that we don't have this next upcoming data, so we have this much data, right? Now which is the low and which is the high? So as of now we can see here, this is our low and this is the high from where the market has moved. So if you draw this fib from low to high, you will get some levels. Okay, right here you need to mark. These are the important levels: 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7 levels. From these level, most probably market will move on the buying side. So if you draw this fib level, we have to draw to closing, right? These are a wicks, these are called as closing. Here also red green candle closing, red green candle closing, open and close from this low to high. So we can see here from this level market comes to 0.7 level and it retraced and moved upside. So if you see this also, from this low to this high, if you draw, you can see from 0.3 it took retracement. So these are the level, and if you keep on changing the time frame to from higher to lower, you will get proper entries with proper candles. Okay, so that's it guys for today. We are going to end the stream, and thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends who are interested to learn this stocks, trading, crypto, forex. Thank you so much for watching.